Welcome to Best Productly. Top 5 Best Hair Dryer in 2020. We are going to check out top 5 best hair dryer in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this hair dryer, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Revlon 1875W Quick Dry Lightweight Hair Dryer, Black. Ultra lightweight design for easy styling and flexibility. 3 heat speed settings for complete drying and styling flexibility. Cool shot button releases cool air to lock in the style. Smooth and concentrator attachment and volumizing diffuser included for precise drying and styling. Removable end cap and hanging ring.
Top 4.
Revlon 1875W Infrared Hair Dryer with Hair Clips. Infrared heat technology for maximum shine, softness and control. Tourmaline Ionic technology reduces frizz and enhances shine. 2 heat/2 speed settings and cool shot button for maximum control. Bonus 3 hair sectioning clips included. Concentrator and diffuser attachments included.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Conair 1875W Ionic Ceramic Hair Dryer, Black. The Conair 1875W Ionic Ceramic Hair Dryer features tourmaline ceramic technology which helps prevent heat damage and ionic conditioning for smooth, shiny-looking hair and less frizz. Powerful high-torque DC motor dries hair fast. 5.5-foot power cord. 3 heat and 2 speed settings for all hair types. Cool shot lock style in place. Hinge filter for easy maintenance and cleaning. No slip grip for comfortable styling. Includes diffuser for textured styles and concentrator for smooth styles.
Top 2.
Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer Hot Air Brush, Black. Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer Volumizer Brush. The same brush designed with nylon pin and tufted bristles for detangling, improved volume and control. Unique oval brush designed for smoothing the hair, while the round edges create volume. 1100 watt power provides just the right heat. Unlike conventional hair dryers, this volumizer can be placed closer to the scalp for lift. 3 heat speed settings for styling flexibility. Built with a genuine ion generator to promote fast drying and create styles full of shine and healthy looking hair. Ceramic coating helps protect hair from overstyling with even heat distribution that penetrates hair quickly and dries from the inside out. Safety first, the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer meets US safety requirements and proudly features the ETL certification seal. Look for the test button on the plug which is required for all hair dryers in the US. The Revlon One-Step unit is designed for 120-volt USA outlets only. Do not use a voltage converter as it will damage the unit. If you need 220 volt for other counties, please check on Amazon in the country for the correct voltage and plug. 4-year limited warranty.
Top 1.
Professional Ionic Salon Hair Dryer, powerful 2200 watt ceramic tourmaline blow dryer, Pro Ion quiet hair dryer with 2 concentrator nozzle attachments, best soft touch body black and rose gold. Advanced ions generator built in. Our breakthrough is to use turbo to speed up transferring 10 times more ions and thus help removing static and reducing frizz. The combined effect of ceramic tourmaline makes hair soft and smooth, and all you have to do is blow dry it. The perfect hair styling tool for hairstylists, the new upgraded 2200 WDC motor providing powerful airflow and fast drying. Bring a professional salon home. Feel charming and confident all day, 3 heat settings and 2 speeds, equipped with 2 concentrator nozzles to precisely meet the demands of all hairstyles, curly, straight, thin or thick. Originating from the best design, premium soft touch body. Comfortable non-slip handle for flexible operation. Detachable rear filter for easy cleaning. The ideal gift from fashionable look surprise. Risk-free product trial. We believe that you will fall in love with the Trezor Ion System hairdryer. If you are not satisfied, contact the seller within 60 days for a guaranteed 100% refund. You definitely deserve it.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.